I'm late for what? Hold on. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert. Are you late for things? Where's your calendar? Do you carry around that heavy day planner? No more. I'm going to show you how to put dates and events into your calendar function on the iPhone. First thing, as always, push your home button to turn it on, slide to unlock it. Now you can go right up to your calendar icon. Now you can actually, see when we've recorded this because it was obviously Saturday the 20th. All right, and that's right there, so you can always see it without going into your calendar function. Going to tap that little icon right there, boop, and you're going to see the calendars. Now, luckily, you can see my calendar's a little light. The little dots here tell me that I've got an event. Let's see what happened on September 1st on Monday. Oh, I got an important Labor Day all day long. Actually, one of the neat parts is you can subscribe to all pre-done calendars. In fact, that one has been loaded into my iCal because I chose to assign all major U.S. holidays, so I never forget them. Mother's Day, you know what I mean? All right, so that's one of the things there. Now, if I want to see it by day, boom, right there, I can see a list of all the things that I have coming up. Better be careful for Valentine's Day, President's Day. Ooh, Halloween, my favorite, daylight savings time. That's all I really have other than Groundhog's Day. Awesome. So go back to the calendars there. And now I also have all sorts of calendars that I work with. Work, holidays we talked about, for the entourage, our crew schedules, birthdays, bento, a database, and right back there. So we can go back and you can choose exactly which calendar you want to see and which events are coming up. If you need to add one on the fly, like everything else, hit the add button. Got to add? Hit the add button. Title and location, I can go ahead and put that in there. The title of it, a meeting, where? Here at the studio. Go ahead and save it. Starts and ends. Again, once you tap that, you have one of my favorite features. It's going to be on December 9th at 2 o'clock p.m. Save, and all you do is go down. Do you want an alert? Which calendar does it go to? It's just that easy. When you're done, hit done, and you're back to your calendar. With a couple of taps, follow the prompts. You want to add something, hit plus. Add, hit plus, and just put in the information you need. You take it with you, populates to other calendars. It's awesome. And I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later. All right, I'm coming.